Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to earn money with Amazon Kindle. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, to be able to earn money with Amazon Kindle, you will need just to sign in to the KDP Amazon. So just type Amazon Kindle seller or just type KDP, which means like the Kindle direct publishing. Basically, you will need just to be able to sign up here on the Amazon KDP and just click on join KDP. By clicking here, it will take us to the sign up form or where we can be able to create our own account. You add your name here, so I will just add any name and basically the email, and you will need just to re-enter your email as a confirmation. You click on uh, so basically I already have an account. I was just showing you how to sign up on your account. So basically I'm just going to add my account here, and basically so after you sign in you will need just to agree on term of services, and here you will be able to start creating your new series or publishing your own Kindles. So here you will need just to go to your bookshelf, and basically here you can see everything you have. Basically I have no Kindle. You will need just to click create and you will be able to start creating. So either you can have hardcover, paperback or any series page, and then you will need just to create any book that you would like, and here you add all this information, and this phase is about like the details of the book. You will need just to fill them. You click save and continue, and basically you will need just necessarily to have your book detail. After that you will need just to add the content, which is the actual book, the PDF or any other form of for the book, and here you can add pricing and you publish it into Amazon Kindle page or marketplace, and by that you will be able to earn money with Amazon Kindle. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.